Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of online dating with Bumble in 2025. If you're new here or just curious about how this app works, you're in the right place. Bumble has evolved a lot, focusing on empowering users with new features like enhanced AI matching and better safety tools. Let's get started. First things first, download the Bumble app from your App Store. It's free and available on both iOS and Android. Once installed, open the app and create your account. You can sign up with your phone number, email, or even link it to your Facebook or Apple ID for a quicker setup. Next, it's time to build your profile. Upload clear photos of yourself. Remember, authenticity is key. Add a bio that showcases your personality, and select your preferences for age, location, and what you're looking for, whether it's dates, friends, or networking. Bumble's 2025 update includes AI suggestions to help you craft a standout profile. Now, let's talk about the fun part: swiping. Bumble works like other dating apps, but with a twist. Women make the first move in heterosexual matches. Swipe right on profiles you like, and if it's a mutual match, you'll have 24 hours to start the conversation. For same-sex matches, anyone can message first. Keep an eye out for Bumble's new video profiles feature, which lets you share short clips to make connections more personal. Once you've matched, dive into chatting. Bumble encourages meaningful conversations with prompts and icebreakers. And don't forget about safety. The app now has advanced verification tools and options to report or block users instantly. A few pro tips. Upgrade to Bumble Premium for unlimited swipes and advanced filters, but start with the free version to get a feel for it. Always meet in public places for first dates and have fun. There you have it, a quick guide to using Bumble in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.